Hello everyone! Welcome back guys to my channel. For today's video guys ay gagawa tayo ng zebra cookies. Una guys, maglagay ako ng 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 3½ cup of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Mix lang natin. Ito na guys ang ating dough. Hatiin natin guys in a half. Then, maglagay tayo guys ng 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Yung kalahati guys, siniset aside muna natin. Yung kalahati, ito yung nilalagyan ko ng cocoa powder. Ihalo natin guys para magiging brown siya. Then, i-flatten natin siya guys gamit ang roller pin. Nipisan pa natin guys. Then, gamitan lang natin guys ng bilog na cutter. Then, ito na guys yung kalahati ganina. I-flatten na rin natin ng roller pin. At gamitan na rin natin guys ng bilog na cutter. Yan guys, pag sali-salihin lang natin guys pag patong-patong. Then ito na guys, pinagpatong-patong ko yung cream na kulay at saka yung brown. Then, irarap natin guys ng plastic cover. I-fridge natin to guys for overnight. After overnight guys, ito naman, i-slice na natin siya. Slice natin guys. Pasok na natin guys sa oven natin. I-bake naman natin guys ito ng mga 350 at 15 minutes. After 15 minutes guys, alisin na natin sa ating oven. This is it guys, ang ating zebra cookies. Try this recipe guys. Simple lang siya. Thank you for watching guys.